This is the STEM Explorations class. Right now the kids are working on physical computing, robotics, Arduinos, computer programming. So it's a whole amalgamation of a whole bunch of topics that they've been learning about. The idea behind this first portion of the project is kind of like a sumo bot, where they have to sumo wrestle each other, push their opponent out of the arena. After that, they're going to do some other activities with the bots, line following, making mazes, and things along those lines.
So we kind of planned for this. Obviously, this is kind of like a class project that we done. So it was introduced to us by starting with coding and whatnot. We started doing Arduino codes with just this little blue part right here without any of the robot bits.
We have taken these Arduino boards and we have used them to make these robots out of these molds and a bunch of wiring, as you can see.
We kind of spent the past month or so, I should say, just kind of coding our robots and creating them just to be as powerful as they can be to kind of beat the other classmates.
I'm really excited to be doing something that's a little more interesting and something that's cool and putting it into context of something like a robot, instead of just having it on a board. I think it's a little bit to the next level, and I'm really excited to do that. The experience has been tough. It works sometimes, it doesn't work some other times. It's just, like Mr. Sanders has been saying, technology, and it's unpredictable.
It was kind of interesting just seeing everyone's different ideas, because some people have more defensive robots, some people have more aggressive, so it was cool just to see what everyone's different ideas were.
The little things always count, just one wire out of place or loose could change your entire project.
I think I would kind of make my robot more aggressive, kind of turn towards my enemy, if that makes any sense, the other robot, just because I kind of made it run away, and that made the fight last a little too long, and I wasn't a big fan of how that went.
I think personally I'm doing good, but I think my robot is not really doing good with me. I think the batteries are one of my biggest issues. I don't know what's wrong with them, but I keep picking up the wrong ones, and I think I need to find some really good batteries and make sure that I test them and that they're 100% charged.